I just purchased this 2001 Chevy Tahoe. It's got 175,000 on it. It's got its issues. There's some moisture in that light there in the lower left. The fog light lenses are missing. Only one of those lights works. Yeah, it's got some paint chips on the hood. Touch those up. Got some dings and things in the plastic. I live in Minnesota, so they put a lot of road salt on in the winter, which eats up rims. Hopefully clean those up. There's this chrome on this trim that's loose and needs to be polished up. This trim here is delaminating. I may take these Chevy bow ties off. There's some door dings, actually a dent there, a door dent there. I'll probably end up taking off all this trim. A lot of this is cosmetic. It seems mechanically to be really sound. Got a pretty decent dent here, a little bit of rust there. Tail lens is cracked. I need to replace that. This back bumper is really a mess. Rust in there, and this side there's a huge hole, and it needs some work, but it'll be a fun project. It's actually have a hole right here. It's rusting pretty bad. If there might have been mud flaps on this originally, that may have never happened. Yeah, somebody retouched. There's a scratch there. This trim, I'm gonna end up taking all this off, taking a look at it. Have some rust down in here. There's some right here, and there's some dings here. Also, this rear view mirror, which these are heated, it's got a crack through it. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that up. So we'll see. And on the outside, this needs some help. Inside, it's kind of dirty. It's 18 years old. The speaker color's dirt. I just gotta clean out the door jambs. Carpeting needs some attention. Leather seats tore, and I have to repair that. Clean everything up. Steering wheel's just kind of dirty. Yeah, it's got a little bit of almost like a cigarette smell, but previous owner didn't clean it very often. Needs some cleaning. There's the hinges inside this console are actually broken here and back here. I'm gonna have to figure out some way to fix that up, but this thing's loaded. It's an LT. It's got climate control. There's actually a remote starter in it. You can see the carpet over there is really dirty. But all in all, it's in pretty decent shape. So we'll see what happens. I want to show you. I just noticed this here, and this door handle's scratched. We'll see what we can do there. And there's an old, back before cell phones, there was the car phones, and this is one of the antennas. I'm going to have to figure out how to get those off. My other truck has one on it, and I tried getting it off, and I could not remove that antenna. But I'll need to check that out and see. There's also assuming a car dealer's name on there. I'm gonna try and take that off. I don't want to advertise for free. There's something funky with this this wiper too. It doesn't work all that well. Inside here, the back seat's folded up so you can put stuff in here. Gonna need to clean all this up and make some repairs as needed. It has a towing hitch there, and it should be a fun project. We'll see how things go. It's been a while since I've done much work on cars. I just noticed this clothing rack clip fell out. That shouldn't be any big deal to put in, though. It's probably broken. That's why it's out. But we'll see. Just start doing some cleaning and see what we come up with. Should be a fun project. Stay tuned.